Hello everyone, welcome to Finance Focus. In today's video, we will break down what is in the book The Millionaire Fast Lane by DeMarco. You work hard, you clock in and you clock out, you shuffle your money into a savings account, hoping it will magically grow into a mountain of wealth. You follow the advice everyone gives you, go to school, get a good job, save 10% of your income, avoid debt, maybe invest in the stock market. You are told this is the path to a comfortable retirement in 40 or 50 years. This is the slow lane. Marketing asset. Crossroads sign. One side slow lane, other side fast lane. It is a long, slow, and uncertain journey. It gambles your youth and your dreams on a future that is never guaranteed. It can leave you feeling tired, trapped, and poor, even when you do everything right. But what if there was another way? A different road entirely. A path where wealth is not something you wait for, but something you build. The fast lane is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is not about luck or lottery tickets. It is a strategic framework. It is a mindset shift. It is a blueprint for building significant wealth in a fraction of the time. The fast lane is about creating systems that generate income for you, freeing you from the endless trade of your time for money. This essay will unpack 5 core lessons from this powerful philosophy. These lessons are designed to shift your thinking and put you on the road to real financial freedom. The promise of the fast lane is not just a bigger bank account. It is a life of freedom, choice, and purpose. It is about reclaiming your time so you can spend it with family, pursue your passions, and make a real impact on the world. It is about escaping the rat race, not just winning it. The slow lane offers a life script written by someone else, where you are a passive character. The fast lane empowers you to become the author of your own story, to take control of your financial destiny. Many people chase a number in a bank account. They believe that having $1 million makes them wealthy. But the fast lane teaches that this view is incomplete. True wealth is not measured solely in currency. It is measured in freedom. It is measured in time. It is measured in choices. Wealth is the ability to live your life how you want to live it, unconstrained by financial obligations or the need to work for someone else. Money is simply the tool that buys you these things. It is the key that unlocks the cage. If your money only buys you more stuff, but keeps you trapped in a job you dislike, you are not truly wealthy. You are just a well-paid captive. Think about the 3 F's of true wealth. Family, fitness, freedom. These are the pillars of a rich life. This is the real scoreboard. A high-paying job that demands 80 hours a week and leaves you stressed and exhausted is not a vehicle for wealth. It is a thief of life. The slow lane is the path most of us are taught to follow. It is the conventional financial wisdom handed down for generations. Get a steady job with good benefits. Save 10% of your paycheck. Invest in a 401k or a diversified stock portfolio. Hope that compound interest will work its magic over the next 4 decades. This path feels safe. It feels responsible. It is predictable. But the slow lane has a fatal flaw. Its primary variable is time, and your time is finite. You are trading your most precious non-renewable resource, your life's hours, for a salary. This means your income is inherently capped, and your wealth grows at a glacial pace. This path is not just slow, it is incredibly risky. It bets everything on factors you cannot control. It assumes you will remain healthy and employed for 40+ years. It assumes the stock market will consistently perform well over the long haul. It assumes that inflation will not erode your savings faster than you can accumulate them. It assumes you will still have the health and vitality to enjoy your wealth when you finally reach retirement age. You are a passenger in a vehicle driven by market forces and corporate whims, hoping you eventually arrive at your destination. The true secret to breaking free from the time for money trap is scale. Fastlaners do not build jobs for themselves. They build businesses that can grow exponentially, independent of their direct involvement. Scale means your business can serve 10 customers, 1,000 customers, 1 million customers. It is the difference between singing to one person in a room and broadcasting your song to millions on the radio. A business that scales leverages systems, software, other people. This is what allows your income to grow while you sleep. Travel focus on other things. It is not a local service where you are the only provider. Instead, it might be a software application, an e-commerce store, a content platform, a franchise model. You write an ebook once, and you can sell it 1,000,000 times. You develop a piece of software once, and it can be downloaded by users all over the world. In the fast lane, control is not just important, it is everything. To build a robust, resilient business, you must own and control your entire system. You control your brand, you control your pricing, you control your product or service, you control your customer list. Relying on a single boss for your paycheck is the ultimate lack of control. Building your entire business on a platform you do not own, Amazon, YouTube, a single social media app, is like building a castle on someone else's land. The landlord can change the rules or evict you at any time. When you lack control, you are vulnerable. A simple algorithm change can wipe out your traffic overnight. A platform can suspend your account and cut off your income instantly. You are at the mercy of distant boardroom decisions. True fast lane entrepreneurs build their own platforms and own their traffic, their own website, their own email list. That gives a direct line to the audience no one can take away. Own your audience. Many aspiring entrepreneurs believe the key to success is to simply work harder than everyone else. They glorify the hustle, working endless hours fueled by caffeine and ambition. While work ethic is crucial, the fast lane teaches that hustle without direction is a waste of energy. The real driver of wealth is not how hard you work, but how much value you create. Fast lane businesses are not built on passion alone. They are built on solving real problems, meeting genuine needs for a specific group of people. When you create something that makes people's lives easier, better, more enjoyable, money naturally follows. Value is the true currency, you know. We have journeyed from the slow, crowded road of mediocrity to the open highway of the fast lane. The slow lane offers a lifetime of work for a promise of comfort in old age. It gambles with your most precious asset, time. It is a life lived in the passenger seat. The fast lane puts you in the driver's seat. It is a challenging but direct route to real wealth. Real wealth is not just money, freedom, time, choice. It is the path of the producer, problem solver, builder. First, redefine your goal. True wealth is freedom, not just a dollar amount. Second, the slow lane is a risky gamble, not a safe bet. Third, harness scale to separate income from time. Fourth, insist on control, build on land you own. Fifth, focus on creating value by solving real needs. The fast lane journey begins with a single small step. Change your thinking, then change your actions. Pick one, just one. Commit to a small practical action. Your life is the sum of your choices. Continue saving and hoping, or start building and scaling. Don't wait for the perfect idea or moment. Take one small action now. Write down that product idea. Brainstorm side income streams. Start that email list. Your journey to freedom doesn't start with a giant leap, it starts with the first step. Move from hoping to building, your life will never be the same. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more amazing videos.